Are you still debating the age-old question to buy versus to rent a home? Well, you're in a good place because we're going to answer that for you. In this video, I have a simple checklist that just might make this argument a moot point for you. Hi, this is Kevin Fritz with Iron Point Mortgage, the borrower's advantage for home loans in Folsom, California, with a tip this week that takes in the old debate of home ownership versus renting. The desire to buy a home is a very personal, emotional decision, and some folks perceive owning a home to be a sign of growing up, being responsible, or a symbol of success. Besides the personal side of making the step to purchasing, there are 5 basic questions that you should be able to answer yes to before buying. I'm going to answer those for you. Number 1, is your income secure? Well, as secure as possible anyway in this day and age. Have you been in your job for a while? Do you foresee any potential changes in the next few years? Number 2, do you plan to own for at least 3 years? It's a good idea to be able to stay in that home for the 3 years. This also means staying put in the same area. You don't want to buy then get a wild hair to live on a deserted island in the South Pacific, even though I might want to. Number 3, is your credit score good enough to qualify for a loan? Yes, that means that you have to actually look at your score and fix any potential negatives. It's an important step, as your credit score can also determine if you get the best rate or not. And hey, good time to fix your credit because it'll improve for any credit. So don't avoid it. Number 4, here comes the S word. Ready? Okay, here it is. Have you saved enough money for a down payment, if needed, and closing costs? If you qualify for a no down payment VA home loan or a low down payment FHA loan, you may not need to save as much as you think you do, so find out what mortgage products are available to you. Number 5, do you have separate money set aside in a Make It Mine fund? You know, it might sound silly and unimportant, but in this age of HGTV addicts running from open house to open house, well, you get the picture. And most new homeowners are so excited to move into their home, make it their own, that they want to immediately put their personal touch on it. You know, like painting rooms or buying new furnishings, saving that money ahead of time helps you avoid buying on credit right away, credit you may need for future repairs or maybe Hawaii. If you've made the decision to buy, you may be ready immediately, or you may need to make a plan for a future purchase by improving your credit score and saving the down payment plus closing costs. In other words, getting more money. With mortgage rates extremely low, the housing market increasing, and employment rates on the decline, now could be your time to purchase and get out of that rental. Make the house yours. As time marches forward and inflation kicks in, you'll be paying your mortgage with cheaper and cheaper dollars, because as inflation rises, so do rents. Home ownership over renting has significant tax benefits as well. If you answered yes to these 5 questions, you may want to get into a new home before the end of the year. Get great tax benefits. We can help you with that if you just give us a call. Let us get you pre-approved, fully underwritten, so you can shop with confidence. Again, I'm Kevin Fritz with Iron Point Mortgage, your Folsom mortgage broker, and I'm here to help. Have a happy holidays and happy house hunting.